renovations made easy thanks to Mike and Molly Salary with Virtuoso Builders. In our new Hammer Time series, we're going to bring you a lot of great tips, advice, and ideas when it comes to home remodeling. And Mike and Molly are joining us this morning to tell us a little bit more. It's nice to see you guys. Thanks for coming in.
Of course.
Thanks for having us.
Oh, anybody who owns their own home, we're constantly thinking, I'm like, oh, this could be remodeled for sure. Yep, that bath needs to be remodeled. So I am so glad you guys are here. I'm looking forward to this segment. Tell me a little bit about Virtuoso Builders.
Well, we're a remodeling company, so that's really all we do is remodeling. We concentrate on kitchens, baths, whole house additions, basically the entire thing.
And sometimes a combination of those things.
Once you start, I mean, you can't stop, right?
It's a domino
Because
effect.
once the kitchen looks amazing, you got to move on to the next
Where
project.
does the floor stop?
Exactly.
So,
That's our business model right there, actually.
It is true, but I think most people understand that because you really want to keep the entire house looking its best. We've got a before and after picture. I want to start with that because the kitchens that I've seen you do are absolutely amazing. This is a typical San Antonio kitchen, the brown cabinets, you know,
dated.
dark.
Gotta go.
Okay, let's get rid of it. Oh, that looks amazing.
Isn't that delicious?
A little different.
Yes, the island is beautiful.
And
I
it was
love it.
perfect right before Thanksgiving. I mean,
Oh, whoever that is, they're going to be having a fantastic Thanksgiving with everyone gathered in the kitchen. Is now a good time to start thinking about doing a remodeling project?
oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. And we don't just say that because we're like, oh yeah, trying to get business or something. But yeah, it's a good time now. People ask us if the costs, if it's time to wait because of things becoming more expensive.
They're only going to
We
get more
don't
expensive.
suggest that you wait.
Yeah.
I mean, if that's in your wheelhouse and you want to do a kitchen or something with delays and things like that, you know, place your orders now.
Get it done. I think a lot of people are thinking, hey, I'm going to stay in my home for quite some time, right?
Yeah.
So as we get into the new year, this is a time to look around and get started on a project. You guys have your own YouTube channel, which I think is fantastic because I can kind of get to know you. I can go on and watch and see what you're doing. Tell me why you started that.
Well, there's a lot of shows that are out there that are reality shows.
Yes.
And, you know, things don't happen in a weekend. And, I mean, this is real.
You're telling me you can't redo my kitchen in 72 hours?
Exactly.
Yeah, so we have a series called Behind the Drywall, and we really wanted people to see what's actually happening. I mean, you can hear hammering and things going on behind us, and people
It was a way for us to bring reality into reality TV and show how it really is. It takes time. There are ups, there are downs, and things don't always go smoothly, but this is a way for people to see it.
I love that. Well, guys, there's a QR code on your screen right there. Get out your phone, scan it. It'll take you to Virtuoso Builders. You can find everything you need to know on their website. Also, will take you to those YouTube videos that you can watch, get some ideas, start dreaming, put together your book, and set up that consultation so you can get started on your remodel project for the new year's. It is Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio on Blanco Road. Their phone number is 210-525-8750. You can visit virtuosobuilders.com, or again, easy, get your phone out, scan the QR code, and you are good to go.